Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I appreciate you tuning in today. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having a great day. So today's video is about the mystery blanket. Now this blanket you can loom knit it, you can crochet it, or you can needle knit it. It's your choice how you want to create the blanket. So I'm going to leave a link below that will take you to the complete pattern for this blanket, rows 1 through 40. And if you click on that and you pull up the pattern, there you will see under it these little colored squares, and out next to the colored squares there's a color name and the brand of yarn. So that's what I'm using to work on my blanket. And for you, you're welcome to substitute any color that you have instead of the color I have. Just make it your own. When I originally had pulled all my yarn out, just find yarn to make this blanket, that's the yarns I found in my stash that I thought would look best for the blanket. You might have a yarn that would look just as well for the blanket, and so feel free to substitute any colors to yarns that you have or yarns that you like better. Just your preference. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you all real quick that I appreciate you all for understanding that I do not have the best health in the world. Actually, I have very poorly health, and I've had a horrible time with my health the past, actually this whole year, the whole 2020. Just 2020 has been a very difficult year for me. My sister passed away in January, and that was a very difficult time for me, and I'm still not over that, honestly. It was just a hard time because it was very unexpected. And then in February, we had to pack our house up and move out for a little while because of flooding. And then we were able to come back, and like shortly after we came back, actually when we came back, I felt very, very ill. Not really sick with anything, just very ill, but I know it was stress taking a toll on my body. And then in March, we all got very sick with the flu and strep throat. And Elijah and I had it for a little while. We didn't go to the doctor. But then Dakota got it, and so he went to the doctor because he needed a doctor's excuse for work because he was running a high temp, and he felt horrible. And so they tested him, and he did have strep throat. So I thought, well, I'm about over it now, and Elijah too. But then we had another round of it that hit us even harder. And so we ended up going to the doctor, and both tested positive for strep and the flu. And then it just took me a very long time to get over that. And then my doctor had upped my prednisone to strengthen my lungs. And I'm still on high doses of prednisone now for preventive, in case I was to get the coronavirus, that my lungs would kind of be strengthened a little bit. But anyway, that cough that we were left with after the flu hung on forever, and it was a horrible, horrible cough. I couldn't breathe or even talk without just coughing my head off. My ribs hurt. It was just, there's no way I could have got on here and made a video coughing every other word. And so, we just had some unfortunate health issues and things going on this year, and so we are hoping that things turn around for us. Thankfully, we have not had the coronavirus. We only had the flu and strep throat, and that was bad enough. And I staying in trying to avoid the coronavirus. So anyway, that's what's been going on with me and my family. And we're on the mend now, and we hope things just turn around and get better and better for us. But sometimes we have great plans and we have things planned out and think things are going to go a certain way, and life happens, and changes things for us, and we don't have any control over that. So I wanted to get this video out for you guys, and so that you will have the pattern, because I really don't know what the future is going to hold. There's still a chance that any of us could come down with the coronavirus. I mean, cross my fingers, hope that does not happen, but it's out there, it's everywhere. So anyway, saying all that to say, thank you for understanding that I've had these health issues and things going on this year. I thought 2020 was just going to be a wonderful year, and I was going to make it the best year yet. And that didn't quite go that way. I hope your 2020 has been way better than mine. I know that right now everyone's going through an uncertain time, and I hope that you're able to make it the best that you can. But anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I will see you all again very soon. I have lots and lots of videos that I need to get out that are overdue, and we're going to get those videos out as soon as we can. So see you all again very soon. Bye bye guys.